Hey, Horseman. Judy said she likes how I send her a list of books that I want. So this is what I do. In Amazon, well, one, I'm always searching for books that I like, but I make a list for her. So over here, I went up to accounts and lists, your lists, and I create a list. And then to create a new list, you can call it what you want, but oops, I clicked the wrong thing. Go back, create a list. Here we go. I need to give it a name. I'm just going to call it Books. Judy, buy me these books. All right, so Judy, buy these books is my new list. Now, you're going to have to do a few things to this list. So up here, you'll click Manage List at More, and you have to switch private to be public. And that's the real thing you need to do. Then you can go look for the books you want. Goodbye Summer, Hello Autumn is a book I like. I have to click on the book that I want. And over here, instead of buying it, I have to add it to a list and click the drop down arrow. And I'm going to add it to Judy, buy these books. And then I could either view my list or keep shopping. And once I have my list full, I can send it to others. I do view and edit, and I copy this link and I email it to Judy, and then she says it's an easy way for her to order the books. Have fun shopping, Horseman.